The Porsche Turbo, slicing 3 tomatoes. Six identical pieces. Okay, once again, I'm in the sink area here. Got this 8,000 grit super fine Japanese water stone. A little bit of water, a little bit of water on there. It's all that you need. Let that water soak in for just a moment. Guide clips, very essential tool here. Got the turbo knife, and I notice it's been losing the fine edge just a little bit. Still really sharp. I'm gonna put this clip on the back of the knife just like this. It is plastic lined so it doesn't scratch. Okay, stainless steel construction. Alright, just like this. Nice angle. And that's what I'm going to do back and forth. Hold that angle. And repeat with the other side. Alright, just gonna remove the clip, wipe off the knife, show you exactly what I've got here. Alright, so I've got some newspaper. There's about 5 layers there. Fold it in half, that would be 10 layers. Here's the knife I just sharpened. Yeah, do you think that's sharp? Question really is, could it be any sharper? Yeah. This is a super special German steel that's only available with this special edge on this knife. You can get it at your sponsor, and I highly recommend you get the clips as well. That's the video. Turbo. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a great day. Keep cooking and keep your cutting edge. Yeah. Check it out. Learn more about this wicked cool knife at your sponsor right there. And when you get a chance, score some of this cheese and try it out. Oh yeah, that is really, really good. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.